On this long 4th of July weekend, I was somehow able to con my sister into making a fun, quick, easy project with me. Well, at least that's what I told her. Let's go. Good morning, guys. It's good to see you all.
I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast. One breath away.
So we literally have no idea where we are. All right, today we are making some French tuteurs or something. I don't really know how to say it. They're trellises, so I think it's gonna be really fun. I've never built them before. This isn't really a how-to. This is what we did. Let's go. We are trying to beat a summer thunderstorm, so hopefully we're able to at least get these cut, maybe even put together before it throws down on us. I don't know the size of this board.
It's a 2x2 by 8.
This is a 2x2 by 8 that we were gonna try it with just the little sticks. What are those?
The 1x2?
No, we're gonna start with, you can see who actually does the building. We're gonna start with the 1x2s, but it looks like this might be simpler or prettier. So we're gonna try these as the legs.
The first step is to cut these to 7 feet. Yes, I have a YouTube video that I'm watching. Kelly, where's the tape measure? How to make a gardening trellis, Tuteur, or Obelisk. Beautiful DIY gardening trellis. It is by Matthew Peach. So that's 15, so that's 10, so that's 5, and I want 7. So that's 7 that way. 7 degrees this way, which is so much harder for me to do. So that's 5, 6, 7. That should give us since we can stand it up. If I had an actual workbench, I wouldn't have to have Kelly go back and forth because I'd have a stop at the end of my workbench. This would be that twice. And we'll set in here. And now it's assembly time.
That might be the hardest part.
I have to drill a hole here. Put the finial in, and then the high points go here. But it was. Oh, we don't have that many.
Okay, it started thundering and lightning and we're done. Not with the project, but for now. All right, it's the next day. We're back out here.
It's still hot.
It's hot, but it's not as soupy. It's not like gonna storm right now. We hope. Karen had actually got a lot of this already finished. All we have to do pretty much, well, not quite.
There's still a lot to do.
There's still a lot to do.
Okay, if you're planning to do this, I'd use the 2x2s, not the 1x. I don't know how we're gonna get this screwed onto the thing. But I'll get inventive. I'll figure it out. That's why I hate it. Ha! Did it!
She's sweet, like the apple from a tree. She's wise, can see it in her eyes. She's steady until someone comes and knocks her down. Watch out, her face is turning red. Watch out, the heat is going to her head. Watch out, her time is just about her. It's not if it's when you better take cover. She'll blow in seconds. Yeah, yeah. Count 3, 2, 1. Hold your guns. She's a ticking time bomb. She's calm, so no one has to see that she's boiling. She's bursting at the seams. She takes a deep breath and lets it go. Watch out, her face is turning red. Watch out, the heat is going to her head. Watch out.
If your little sister comes to you and says, "Hey, I need you to build me," just say no and go buy one. No matter the price.
It looked like it was going to be an easy project. I didn't know it would be hard.
About the 7-degree miter and 7-degree something.
Now we're looking for the high point of these sticks that she cut yesterday. And all the high points
Go in the middle.
go in the middle.
Except for that one.
That one might be.
But I don't know that any of the others are higher.
Yeah, I think that's the high point. You're right.
I think it just got chipped off.
Yeah.
Basically, all of these high points here go in these corners. And then they spread out. But you gotta put the first 2 in first.
Go to put it onto the ends. Okay, so we're going to connect the top 2 to the plate first.
We're gonna go with those 2-inch deck screws.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until
Press
I'm
both because I'm gonna set it
complete. I got my eyes on you, and you got no clue what I'm supposed to do. I can't help myself.
has to go to 16. Okay.
Now this little ring is 16 inches from the bottom. Look at how cool that is. I am very impressed with that.
Don't pull too hard. We will want to take the blue tape off.
Look how cool this is.
Now I need a ladder because we got to drill the hole and put the
Oh
finial
yeah,
on the
there's
top.
that. We gotta put the finial on top.
I gotta find a drill bit that's slightly smaller than this so we can screw this into it. And I don't know, I'm not sure. Seems like that's the same size. Don't want to do that. Yeah, let's try that one. Come on, one last little. There we go, quarter turn.
Karen, I love it. Thank you. This is so awesome. Let's go put it in the garden now.
Yes, carefully. Isn't that festive with their 4th of July bunting back there? This is for your pumpkin vines.
Yeah, I planted some pumpkins mid-July. So I'm finally getting around to planting my pumpkins today. So I thought I was late on getting these planted, but see the dark orange? That's me. And the dark orange says late April through July. It's middle of June, so I'm still doing good.
We're gonna have to level the ground just a little bit for that to sit straight.
Okay, because we're on a hill, we're gonna have to get a shovel, level that all off, but that's for another time. I just wanted you to see how pretty this will be. I've shown you the pumpkins. Tell you, those are my radishes. I only have one carrot that's doing well. These are our watermelons. Rose bushes. My tomatoes are going nuts. Oh good, look here. My nasturtium finally has a blossom. Oh, that makes me so happy. My peppers. My cucumbers. Here we are. Lemon balm. Catnip. I don't remember. Tomatoes. A flower, might be corn flour. I don't remember. But these are flowers. My potatoes. My double begonias. The other day, I had a visitor that was so pretty that matched the begonias, not the fly. We planted these begonias here for our neighbor who just loves them. She has so many, and I thought she would enjoy having. A view of some here. And then here are our green onions. Well, that concludes this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hey, give me a like if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll keep you updated, and I'll show you how the pumpkins fare. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.